Hi, Ben here, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. We've just finished a pretty special knife, and just before it gets parcelled up and sent off to its new owner, we thought it'd be nice for you to have a little look at it. So it's already in its little presentation box. So we've just finished off this pretty special Craftsman. So the Craftsman's a really nice, sort of slender, bladed bushcraft knife that we make. So it's not too deep in the actual blade itself, so it's quite narrow, which makes it a really nice knife for spoon carving, general craft work and things like that. Now this Craftsman is pretty special in the fact that it's got what we call an antler bolster. So it's got reindeer antler at this front half of the handle, and then it's got stabilised masur birch for the rest of the handle. So it looks very sort of traditional Scandinavian look to it. I really like the masur birch anyway, but combined with the reindeer antler, it's yeah, very, very Scandinavian influence. This one has got a polished finish to it, and it is in 3mm stock, so slightly thicker blade material. Now normally when I make a Craftsman, I actually round the whole of the spine to make it a little bit nicer when you're actually carving with it. But because this one actually comes with an antler fire steel, we've left that square, so you'll be able to use the back edge of the knife for actually creating a shower of sparks if you need to get your fire going. And obviously comes with a really nice razor sharp Scandi grind. Now this one's got no liners in it, so it's just a really clean look to it. And then it's just got these very small 1/4 inch brass loveless bolts and thong tube as well. But yeah, the 01 tool steel makes a really nice, easy steel to sharpen. Holds an amazing edge. This is about 59 Rockwell, so not too hard. But yeah, easy to sharpen, holds a great edge. It's a perfect all-round steel. Obviously being carbon steel, you'll need to look after it a little bit, or you'll need to force a patina on it if you want to use it a lot for food prep and things like that. And Lois has made a really nice Orford tan leather belt sheath for it. So that's just got a simple belt loop on the back that you can slide your belt through. And then this is the fire steel holder that you can have on the sheath. Now the way that I like to wear the fire steel, especially if it's one of these antler tine fire steels, is this simple little leather loop that I make so that it's nice and tight, so it sort of slides over the top of the fire steel loop itself and holds that in position. You can almost use it like a sort of cam to sort of knock off to hold it in place. Holds it nice and tight. And then that's the nice tight fit in the sheath. Obviously as you start using the fire steel, it will get slightly narrower in diameter, so it wants to be nice and tight to start with. And obviously the antler handle makes a really good full-size handle. I really like it because if I've got to undo knots or anything like that, I can use it as a bit of a fid as well. So yeah, it's a pretty special package really, what with the antler bolster, the masur birch, the nice sheath and the fire steel. It's going to be a pretty special knife to have for a lifetime really. So yeah, I thought it'd be nice for you to actually have a little look at something that's a little bit unusual, not something that we do every day of the week. So yeah, really nice to get something completed, something as special as that, and send it off to its new owner. So hope you enjoy seeing these little Work in Progress Wednesdays and seeing what we're doing in the workshop. Remember to subscribe to the channel, because obviously you'll get notified when the latest videos come out. And yeah, remember to check us out on the Instagram feed as well. So I am CraftLab Knives, and Lois is CraftLab Leather on Instagram. So yeah, check out the feed on that as well. So thanks again for watching, and see you next week.